Hello and welcome to the X Review of me, Paul Collis, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to take a look at something old but not shit. Last time I saw this I was like this big. That was my dick. No, let's not joke about shit like that. My missus says I'm too ambitious with lies like that. Anyways, this is Gene Kelly was Singing in the Rain.
Good night, Kathy. See you tomorrow.
Good night, darling. Take care of that throat. You're a big singer.
Good night, Kathy. See you tomorrow.
Good night, darling. Take care of that throat. You're a big singing star now, remember?
Yes, and when he's recording this he actually had the flu. Poor bastard.
From where I stand, the sun is shining all over the place.
The film had to be finished. Every time I hear this song though, it does remind me of, not this film, but A Clockwork Orange. Love that film. So, frolicking around in the rain in 2022 is apparently racist now, according to some YouTube creators, when Drew Barrymore was doing it. I don't know why. Everyone has the right to be copying this. Being so happy when it's miserable like this. Such a classic song. And everyone's like, you're mad! You're mad! Singing and dancing in the rain. Being happy about it.
Singing in the rain, dancing in the rain.
Wearing tap shoes in that kind of weather. He's lucky he didn't slip over and fucking break a leg. But he, you know, Gene Kelly was just a talented singer and dancer.
I'm singing and dancing in the rain.
It's a good effect tap dancing in rain like that. Well, it wasn't really rain, it was controlled fire hoses and whatnot. But it's a good effect with the tap dancing. You've got such a lovely patter from the water, not only from the down water but the up water as well, and that's what makes this scene sound so powerful. Such a unique song and dance to do. Fuck it, why not? I'm wet already, let's fucking do it. So imagine learning all this sequence and whatnot, and then on the last day of filming, because this was the last day of filming, and you're like, oh shit, I don't feel well, and you've got a massive temperature and having to do that. A true professional. And the cop is like, are you mad? Are you fucking mad? Oh, come on, copper. Just having fun.
Dancing and singing
Yeah, quick, get out of there before you bust you for being a Looney Tune. Jaywalking, etc. And he gives the umbrella to someone that needs it. True gentleman. That was Gene Kelly with Singing in the Rain. Love that sequence. Fucking brilliant. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't already done so, why not check out more content from Master X Media by clicking the link in the description below. And we shall catch you next time. Bye for now.